Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have a Tacoma compilation. Let's jump right into this one. With this bronze oxide 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road, we're installing a set of Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks with DSC on here, with some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms and some EIBACH rear heavy-duty lift springs. We're running some Method MR703 bead grip wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with a plus 35 offset with some 285 7517 Nito Ridge grapplers. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you'd like to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We have another 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road that's in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. The front gets a preload collar and the rear gets a coil spacer. We're also installing a set of black Rhino Vol wheels in a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 25 offset. Tire of choice here are the 285 7517 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W, which is a 34-inch equivalent. Are you guys new to the channel? Please consider subscribing if you're into Toyota trucks and all the stuff that we do to it. Next up, we have this 3rd generation Army Green Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one came in for a body mount chop and high clearance bumper cut. This magnetic gray metallic Tacoma is going with a Bilstein 6112 setup up front with SPC upper control arms, 5160 rear shocks, and some RRW RR7H wheels. With the 6112 and 5160 setup on here, with the Adaleaf and SPC upper control arms, we were able to clear some 285 7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws on here with a custom alignment and fine-tuning of the caster to make sure everything clears properly, even when articulating. With the new BMC and high clearance bumper cut performed on this vehicle, we're able to clear the more aggressive wheels and tires here. Are you interested in getting a lift kit from us but you're not local to us? No problem. We have a website, 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have pre-packaged lift kits that are pre-adjusted, pre-assembled, and ready to be installed the moment they land at your doorstep. This silver Tacoma just received our Bilstein 5100 package with OME lift springs, Deaver Adaleaf system, and SPC upper control arms. We mounted on a set of Method MR312s in a 17 by 8.5 size with some 285 7017 tires. Here's the Tacoma that came back just to change things up a bit. We previously installed a set of Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series with DSC shocks on here with some Camburg upper control arms. The rear did get a Dakar EL111R leaf pack, and he's back today for a set of RRW RR7V machine finish wheels. Next up, we have this new 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We're also installing a set of Method MR705 bead grip wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. We're doing all the modifications on here so that we can easily clear a 35 12.5 17 Nito Ridge grappler on it. If you don't mind trimming a bit of your fender off, 35s look so good on the 4th generation Tacoma. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Next up, we have this 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. This one is in for an EIBACH Pro Truck Stage 2R lift setup with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver Adaleaf system in the rear. For the wheels and tires on this one, the customer decided to go with a set of Method MR315s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. Tire of choice here are the 285 7017 Toyo Open Country RT Trails. Our tech is seen here installing the rear Deaver Adaleaf system. Here it is installed with the EIBACH 2.0 piggyback rear shocks. Over to the front end, the EIBACH coilovers have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height and installed with the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. Wheels and tires are also on the vehicle now, and we're going to back it out for a quick test drive. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Here's another Bilstein 5100 setup on this Tacoma with some RRW RR7H flow form wheels. This is what we call our best bang for the buck suspension lift setup. It comes complete with shocks, springs, add-a-leaf, and upper control arms. If you want to see more details of that suspension lift, click on the link in the description below. Next up, we have another Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4, third generation vehicle here that we just installed a King suspension setup on. We're going with the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with compression adjusters, Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms, and a Dakar EL 111R leaf pack. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with the TRD Pro 17x7 plus 4 offset wheels with some 285/70/17 Toyo Open Country RT tires. And to enhance the look of the front end of the vehicle, we also installed a Tacoma TRD Pro style front grille. One is now complete and ready to be brought outside for a quick test drive. Like what you see here and want to see more? Check us out on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have another Tacoma. This one's in for a King suspension setup. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with compression adjusters, Deaver add-a-leaf system in the back with some Elevate, Billet, Uniball, King blue colored upper control arms. We also did some Durabump bump stops on this one for both front and rear, as you can see. This customer came in with a previously installed set of wheels and tires. We're not touching that just yet. There's still 32s on here, but he's ready to upsize to 33s with the new lift setup whenever he's ready. Next up, we have another Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one just received our Bilstein 6112 setup with SPC upper control arms, 5160 rear shocks with our Deaver add-a-leaf, and a body mount shop to clear some 285/70/17 tires on a set of Voke TE37 XT wheels in bronze. Wheels here are the 17x8.5 size with the -10 offset, hence the body mount chop needed to clear the 285/70/17 tires. One of the most popular lift setups that we do here are the Bilstein 6112s and 5160 shocks. We're doing that one here with the SPC upper control arms and the Deaver add-a-leaf. Wheels and tires on this one will be the TRD Pro 17x7 plus 4 offset wheels, and we're wrapping them up with some 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws. Lift, wheels, and tires have been installed and custom alignment has been performed. It's ready to be brought out for a quick test drive now. We'll show you another third generation Tacoma before we jump back over to some more fourth generation Tacomas. This one right here came in for an EIBACH Pro Truck Stage 2R lift setup with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf system. We're also going to be doing a body mount chop on this one to clear some 285/70/17 on some 17x8.5 -12 offset RRW RR7V flowform wheels. The RR7V flowform wheels are a simulated beadlock RR7 style wheel from RRW that is an 88 Rotors exclusive wheel. If you're interested in getting a set for your vehicle, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. For a limited time only, use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 or $125 off a set of 5. We have these in multiple colorways, including this matte black face with a gloss black simulated beadlock ring. We also have it in a full bronze and a machine silver finish. Next up, we have this 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road in bronze oxide. We're hooking up this one with a set of Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup on here with some Method MR703s in a 17x8.5 size with the 0 offset. This one has a little bit of poke, but he's running 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires on here. And the last Tacoma we're showing you today is this new 2025 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one did just get a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC Evo shocks all around with some Camburg Kinetic Uniball upper control arms and rear EIBACH lift springs. Well, thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. We greatly appreciate it as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another cool video. Until then, take care, guys.